Americans are set to get $1,050 relief payments. Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We are here to give you the most up-to-date news and things that are going on with stimulus and with Joe Biden. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all this news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button. So we got several comments that Bernie Sanders would definitely be the next runner-up. If he was to run for president, many of you guys on this channel would vote for him to be president. Many of you said that you feel like he would do a better job and actually take care of the people on Social Security on a fixed income. Then on the other side, many of you guys said that Donald Trump would fix all this crazy mess that Joe Biden has created. Again, we're neutral on this channel and everybody is entitled to their own opinion, but it's just crazy to see that it's literally either Donald Trump or Bernie Sanders. So guys, if you're ready for a change in president, then smash that like button. So I've done some research and I've looked for different states like Michigan. Many of you guys ask about Alabama, Arkansas, Mississippi, Texas, and there still has not come up anything. But there is one state that is actually sending out $1,050 relief payments to their residents. Now, this isn't every state. Guys, we know that everybody needs help. In fact, with some of you guys in the comments, I was talking back and forth saying that, yes, every state should send out some relief payments. Why? Because number one, everybody, whether you drive or not, has to deal with this crazy gas price. And if that wasn't enough, you have to deal with the high grocery prices. Well, what do you mean? If I don't drive, how do I have to pay for it? How do I deal with it? Because the groceries and the food that you eat is driven by a truck driver, that the prices have went up on them. And guess where the prices are going up? That leads to grocery price increase. So everyone is affected in some way. And that's why if you are low income or if you are on a fixed income, you should be getting $2,000 stimulus checks every single month until they get this inflation fixed. If you agree, then smash that like button. So guys, in the state of Maine, you can actually check to see if you're getting a $850 stimulus payment. We know that Massachusetts has sent out those $500 relief checks to those low-income workers. And now let's jump on the screen to read which state is giving out $1,050 to their residents. Guys, fourth stimulus check 2022, Americans to get $1,050 direct tax relief payments. So this is for those in New York. Homeowners are currently receiving some assistance in the form of direct payments. A one-time homeowner tax rebate credit of up to $1,050 is being sent out by the state to qualified households. This credit is in addition to what New Yorkers may be eligible for via the STAR program, the school tax relief. STAR is an ongoing initiative that provides qualified homeowners with school tax reductions. The average benefit to New York City residents will be $425 and will be around $970 outside of New York City. Low-income homes earning less than $75,000 will get an average benefit of $1,050 statewide. On tax returns for the year 2022, credits will be applied in advance, and the majority of the homeowner tax rebate credit checks are expected to be mailed this month according to the state. So guys, there in the city of New York, many of you guys have asked, well, what about New York City? Here is the information. The $1,050 $50 going out to New York City homeowners. This is something that they're sending out this month. So guys, we will do our best to stay up to date on all the stimulus information and which states are doing what and when they are sending them. So Pennsylvania, again guys, back a couple months ago, they were proposing a $2,000 stimulus check, and that kind of died down. I heard a lot of opposition was going back and forth, that $2,000, $1,400, but the governor is trying to push for $2,000 stimulus checks for Pennsylvanians. Well, guess what, guys? It's back on the table, and they're trying to get it passed again. So fingers crossed to hope that they get that passed. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that that information helped in some way. Remember, we are your one-stop shop for stimulus news and what's going on. And let us know down in the comments if Joe Biden is taking too many vacations. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro.